This is the Iron Trader. The pitch just closed, so we're going to take an in-depth look here at crude and natural gas. At the end of the video, the support and resistance levels will be posted. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, commodity, ETF. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Now, here we have crude. This here is a daily chart. Okay, so let's just review on what happened here, okay? So we had a bottom here, it ran up, and then it gapped up, went sideways. This is on the OPEC news that they're cutting supplies. And then right into the 200 SMA, that's why we trade the charts. You know exactly where it's going, it's a roadmap. All right, so it came on down here, and then I've been posting here, look at this bear flag here, okay? Another bear flag here. It could not get through this key 8 SMA. Now, when you look at this SMA, this 8-day, see how it keeps on rolling and rolling? The price goes down, and once it closes above, then it can take the price on up. All right, then we had two big red candles. And yesterday, wow, look at this. This is the big red dog candle. This is the kind of candle I always talk about here, that it sets a lower low, fakes everyone out, and then rises right on up. So this was an excellent trade last night if you were at your desk, which I happened to be. So I sold out of that short, and then I went long on the UCO. Okay, so that was some really good trading. So now let's just see where this is actually going to go. So I was pointing out here these levels right here. So now what you want to do is you want to look to the bottom of this candle here. This is sitting at 70.08. See how that support is? And then we want to do is we want to look at this candle here. Okay, this one here is sitting at 72.25. Okay, and then we want to do is we want to go up a notch right here to this level right here. Okay, that's sitting right at 73.80, right about where the 8 SMA is, just a little bit below that. Okay, so that is where your upside resistant levels are. Okay, so when these futures open again tonight, this 8 day is going to keep on coming down, and you can see how it runs right up, right on up, right on up. You got to get above that for that price to go back on up here. But so what we want to do here on this on the upside here is we want to look to also to all these candles here. So we want to look to this candle right here. This is 69.77. You have 70.38. You have 71 here, 31, and then we have 71.67. These are all going to be also big key resistant levels. Now, on the downside, what we want to do is you want to look here at this candle right here. This is the low, okay? This is sitting at 67.95. So that is a very, very key. And then we want to do is look at these candles right here, okay? And then all the way down here, and then this retest right here of the 64.36, and then obviously yesterday's low here at 63.40. So now we're going to take a look here on the weekly and also on a monthly chart. Okay, we just reviewed the daily chart, so let's look at this monthly. So the key level support here is you want to look at this 66.90. Okay, that's going to be a very, very key level on a support. Those 200 SMAs are also very, very strong. Then we want to obviously look here to the bottom of this candle here, right here. This one's sitting at 64.36, and then the 63.64. Then what you need to do is look at this 50 SMA here on your monthly chart. See where that is? That is sitting at 65.96, and then we want to look for the retest there. This is sitting at 62.43. So when you look here on your monthly chart, where you always want to see where this is going, always look back. Look at the candles where they bottomed out. See, 62.43. This candle right here is 61.74. So that's going to provide a lot of support here on the crude oil. Okay, so what you want to do on the upside then is if it can get past this 8 SMA, then we look to the 50. We look to this 100 SMA here, sitting at 70.61. You look at your 21, and then obviously your 81.75, your 200, and your retest there at 83.53. On your weekly, here what you want to do is look at the 74.71, and you want to look at 76.65. These will be all the resistant levels. Okay, so then what you want to do here is you want to look at this key 200 SMA here on your monthly. That's sitting at 72.68. Okay, that lines up here with all of this area right here, okay? So that is going to be now, that was support, now that becomes big time resistant levels here. So we have to watch here at the, when the futures open back up here at 6 o'clock, where is this 8-day SMA going to go? Because that will be the target that you'll be shooting for. So we have to see what's going to happen at Friday. Long as it holds this 63.64, then you got a good trading opportunity here. All right, and then we have the rig count on Friday at 1 p.m. All right, here we have the natural gas. Wow, look at this. You got 1, 2, 3, 4 big red days. Okay, so we're putting a series of lower low in here. Okay, so you're sitting right now, you're sitting about 2.08. Okay, so the key level here that you're going to be looking for here is this 1.946 that I've always pointed out. If you lose those SMAs, that's where the target is going to be on that retest. Now, on the upside, what you want to do is you want to look here at the 2.19. That's your 8-day on your weekly chart here. You want to look at this 21 SMA here at 2.2. You want to look at the 8-day at 2.26. This 50 SMA here at 2.334. And then your retest, which is 2.529. Now, this looks, yeah, big sell-off here. Yeah, I get all that. But again, nothing's really changed. This is just sideways action here. And you're still within your price channels. You got 1.946 on the bottom, 2.529 on the top. Now, natural gas is in the shoulder season, so there's really no demand for this or for that. The numbers came out today, 54 BCF. Really nothing to write home about, one or the other. You have to wait for summer. If you get a real hot summer, then she'll rise. But so just watch these two levels. If this can break above this 2.529, then we can go up here to this 21 SMA here. You can go to this 100 SMA here. And then you can go to the big boy right there, sitting right around 3.75. If this goes lower, then we just short it. If it closes above, below this 1.946, no big deal. We just short it. We don't care what direction it's going. All we care is how do we make money in both directions. All right. Thanks for watching.